friends! Welcome to Chichi Kids Learning TV. Let's learn and have fun together. The ambulance rushes with lights so bright, taking the patient safely through the night. Fire truck sprays water high and tall, rescuing kittens from trees near the wall. Police car zooms to keep streets safe, helping lost children find their place. Rescue helicopter flying in the sky, lowering the rope for someone stuck high. Tow truck lifts a broken down car with cheer, cheer, carrier, carrying it to the repair shop near, shop near. School safety van guides kids to school, making sure the street is safe and cool. Coast Guard boat helps boats on the waves, bringing them safely back from ocean caves. Garbage truck collects trash all around, keeping the neighborhood neat and sound. Snow plow pushes snow off the street so everyone can walk and drive with ease. Boo! Animal Jeep helps a puppy in need, taking it to care with love and speed. Great job learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time.